Hi guys, welcome to Paswan's blog. I am going to make a blog. So, as you know, today the weather of years was very scorching heat. But after some time later, the rain came. Now you could see the rain. It's been raining, and due to that, I could say this is the clouds. These are the clouds, and because of that, we have got the rain, and now it is very good right now. You could see the raindrops are pouring, and you could see the soil has got wet, and the student came. I gave them permission to go their home, and they went their home. Now I am making a blog, so you could see the views of from here. I am sitting right now on the chair and making a blog. You could see there is a tree of Kadipatta. That tree is also looking beautiful after getting the rain. Now you could see, and from here you can also see from this door a lot of bikes are parked over here, there, and I could also see from here. Here is a cart which is standing. In that cart, a lot of water is available. You could see the water is raining onto this cart. Due to that, on this cart, the water is lodged here. You could see water is pouring onto the cart. So this is looking very well. You could see this is looking very well. Now you could also see there is a chair. On that chair, that is a broken chair, and there also water is pouring, rain is pouring on that. So it's because of that there is water also on that chair. So this is very good. The weather is very good today, and you could see from here here is the water lodged, and the water comes from the nearby area into it, and this is the dust also. It is a dust which is thrown here because someone hadn't made their home here. So it's because of that it is empty, and people throw their dust into it. And now you could see from here it is looking very good, and there is a pomegranate tree, as I have said many times, and this is looking awesome. In the rain it looks very awesome. And now from here you could see here is the birds. This is the bird which has flown away. And now from here you could see there is water lodged, and one who is sitting and talking. So there is water lodged. You could see at the front in our street. You could see rain is pouring. If you are careful to see the rainfall. So since morning it was scorching heat. I was sleeping, so and at the time I was feeling the scorching heat. But after, I would say, 2:50 o'clock, the weather got changed. The weather changed and started raining. And in the newspaper also it was mentioned that the monsoon is about to come, and now it entered into Delhi NCR, and now it is very pleasant weather right now. So now I'm going on upstairs. From there also I will show you the remaining vlog of mine. No one is out from their home. Each and every person is in their home. Now I am going on upstairs, and you could see Agastya is having the he's saying hi. He's having the bread with the milk. Agastya, say hi. Agastya is saying hi. And you could see this is the chickpeas. This is called the chickpeas, and this is the vegetable of that. I could see my sister-in-law is sitting here on the ladder, and now Pius is here. You could see Pius has taken the mango, and he is going to have the mango. He has taken 2 mangoes. He is going to have the mango. You could see. Where is Sia?
Sleeping.
And Sia is sleeping. Where is Sia? You could see Sia is sleeping over there. Sia is sleeping on the bed. So start making the blog. Start speaking whatever situation you have to improve your English. Now I am going on upstairs. What something has broken. It has fallen down. You could see this has fallen down. This is the seesaw. What it is called, I don't know. This is the seesaw, and comb also has fallen down. Here is the comb. This is the comb which fall down. Now I am going on upstairs to make my remaining vlog. You could see water bottle which is on the ladder. Now I am going on upstairs. I am about to reach on upstairs. Now you can listen the raindrops sound, since it is the alabaster. So it's because of that the sound can be listened, and you could see it is raining here, and the drops are pouring. Raindrops are pouring here, and you could see the bucket has filled with the water. It is the bucket which has filled with the water, and we should try to restore the water. It is very good for us, since we don't have a sufficient water to drink in our world. I would say not in our India, it is in the world. A lot of water is not good, so we should try to collect the water to drink. So this is not for the drinking, but this is for washing the clothes. So from here we can save some water, and I am going to make more vlog if it is possible from here. So now you can see from here, you can see a lot of things, and no one is bathing at this time. No child is bathing. I could show you. Now you can listen the water selling person has come who sells the water. From here you can see also that is the tub in which the water is available. Now I am going to downstairs. I am entering into the room and watching if some I have turned on the light, but the light is not coming here. Now I am going downstairs, and I will stop making the vlog because now I have made the vlog. Now I am going downstairs. It's been almost 10 minutes. Now I have come downstairs, and Pius is having the mango. You could see Pius is having the mango. And now Agastya has come here. Agastya has come here. And okay, water has come. You could see water selling person has come. He is selling the water. So now I am going to stop making this video. So thank you guys for watching this. Thank you. You would see that person is filling the water. You could see that person is filling the water and some kids are talking with him. So these are the water selling person. They sell the water and we purchase water from them to drink. So thank you guys for watching this vlog. Thank you. And Agastya is saying something. Hey, Agastya, where are you? Show me your face. Agastya is there. Bye, Agastya. Agastya, bye bye. Bye bye. Agastya is saying bye bye. Thank you.